like customer, customer by social media, by other country product by social WhatsApp from USA, United States, and other type of social media from the negara maju yang he created. But the people in Indonesia are like a consumer, and many time we must buang to social media.
Throw away.
Huh?
Throw away.
Throw away.
Throw away.
Throw away. Many time throw away from to social media, and the negative effect, we what he create, what I'm create, what our create, and to productivity is minimum by social media, because many time we use to social media, and I think the country people, the what it mean, the negara maju,
Developed country.
developed country, the people in there, I think they are not used many times from social media. He create social media, but I think he not use many things to use the application, and we consume, and I want to say he always do